Hi guys, welcome to the bike reveal, and I bet you will be surprised if you see what bike we got. This is a new extension to the triple digit garage. It's not a Harley, so I think you're going to be surprised, but it is a bike because it is a 125cc. The fun thing is this bike is for my wife, so she's going to ride this to work, to home, just to have some fun. So I'm very excited. She's going to get in the riding community. But I'm going to give you a little tour of the bike. See, it has taillights, pretty nice. This Vespa is from 2020, so it's 4 years old, but only has 2,485 kilometers, not miles, kilometers. So it's really brand new. It has ABS, you can see the light flashing, so that's awesome. It has a little hook for bags. It also has a box compartment with USB port, so that's awesome. So you can put something in here, you can charge your phone or anything. That's pretty convenient. And it also has a lot of storage space. There's a hole in the seat. You can put a rain cover in this, so when it's raining you can put the cover over it, and when you put the rainy bag inside, it will not drip on your luggage, but it drips through this hole outside, so that's pretty clever. It also has two hooks. You can attach a helmet to it or a bag to it. When you close the saddle, it cannot be stolen, and it also has some extra storage. So what do you guys think? Is this what you thought? I think it's pretty nice. I think it's awesome. I'm also going to ride this bike in winter time, so when there's salts all on the road, I'm not going to ride the Harley, that's not good, so I'm going to ride the Vespa, so I can also make content in the winter time. It needs an oil change, everything is there. I'm going to do an oil change on it, so I will make a video out of it. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys are excited as I am, because I think it's a pretty cool little starter bike. Thanks for watching.